All right, so a lot of you have been coming to my DM to make a video on the new Google Veo 3.1 interface. That is the flow. All right, that the interface is confusing. Yeah, they did some updates that changed everything. Okay, and now in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and walk you through the new interface so that you don't end up wasting your AI credit or let them terminate your account. So for you to do that, so just come to your Chrome and search for Veo 3. Okay, hit it, and then you are going to see this Google DeepMind. Go ahead and click your Google DeepMind, and then go ahead and click try inflow. Don't click try in Gemini, try inflow. The reason is that Gemini is just like normal your when you want to have a chat, like just like your chat GPT. Okay, although you can use it to generate video, but it's not going to give you the result that you want, and it has a limitation of just 3 videos. So I always advise you to go with try inflow. So if you click the try inflow, it's going to bring you here. All you need to do is to go ahead and click this create with flow, and then it's going to open this way. Now, as you can see, Nano Banana 2 is here. This is the new update. Okay, Nano Banana 2 is here. All right, and as you can see, this is my account and everything. All you need to do is to go ahead and click this new project. All right, so here we are on the interface, and these are the interface look like. As you can see, everything changes. Okay, you know, before everything you are going to see some things here. Okay, so it's not more like that again. So they arrange everything, they remove some things, and very soon Wix is going to be available here. Okay, all right, so as you can see, here is our AI credit here. If you want to check your AI credit, and your account is here, and then this is if you want to upload an image, right? All right, so now for you to start creating, as you can see, if you notice, they say what do you want to create, right? Go ahead and click here. You see, so this is how the thing look like now. This is image. If you want to create image, maybe using the Google Nano Banana 2, right? You select image. If you are creating video, you select videos, right? Depend on what you want. And then this is the two model that we have here, frames and also ingredients. Remember, before we have text to video on before, so this is it, that is ingredients now. And then frames to video, this is when you have to upload your image or your ingredients, your image or maybe a product, and then input your prompt to get your video generated, right? So this is it. And then here is your aspect ratio, landscape or portrait. And then this is your output per prompt. Now this is the output per prompt, 1, 2 or 3. That is how many video do you want the AI to generate for you per prompt. Is it 1, 2 or 3? You have to go ahead and select anyone. I always advise you leave it on 1. If it is video, leave it on 1. If it is image, leave it on 2. The reason is that each video costs you 20 AI credit. Now if you put it on 1, you see that it will cost you 20 AI credit. 2, you see that the AI credit is increasing 40, 60, then 80. Okay, for you to save your AI credit, I always advise you to leave it on just 1 if you are creating video. But if it is image, it will cost you just 0 AI credit actually. And if you look very well, you are going to see the model here. So if you click it, you are going to see Veo 3.1 fast and Veo 3.1 quality. Now let me explain this to you. Veo 3.1 fast costs you just, the difference is the quality of the video. Yeah, this Veo 3.1 fast is less quality than the Veo 3.1 quality, but this Veo 3.1 quality will cost you more AI credit than the Veo 3.1 fast. Now if remember, when we are selecting our output per prompt, it was cost, the AI credit just cost 20 AI credit per prompt, right? If you put it on quality, one output per prompt is going to cost you 100 AI credit. Look at it. You see, 100 AI credit, 200 AI credit, 300 AI credit, and then 400 AI credit. Without, your AI credit is going to finish very fast. Look at my AI credit. I only have 100 AI credit because every month they give me 1,000 AI credit because I'm using the student account. Okay, and this account is available if you want to buy it. Okay, I have this account for sale. Yeah, so these are the interface look like. So these are to go about your new flow, or should I say Google DeepMind interface. Okay, the interface look a little bit confusing as a new beginner because this is not what we are used to. So a lot of you have been asking me that you want to know how the new interface is giving you headache. So So these are the interface look like. It's a very simple something though. Just click here and everything that you want is here. Okay, it's not more scattered again that, oh, everything is going to be here. No, it's not more scattered again. All right, so these are to go about it.